Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another day to tell you something more about my trip to Norway. Here in Latvia it's autumn already, it's raining and it's very windy. Check out my socks. This is what I'm wearing in my house already because it's quite cold, especially in the evenings and early in the mornings. But anyways guys, I hope you will enjoy this video showing you some of the stuff I did while I was living in Norway. So today's story is going to be about Lysekloster. You will see the most famous site in Lysekloster, which is Lyse Abbey ruins. So this is a historical site that dates back to around 12th century. And it's a really amazing and quite impressive place. These ruins are just by Lyshornet mountain. In this video you are going to see how we managed to climb that mountain. It wasn't easy because it was quite slippery, because it was raining, but I accepted the challenge and I did it, and I was very happy to be up there because the view was really amazing. And at the end of the video you are going to see another interesting thing I did in Lysekloster. That was the first time I went out fishing, and please make sure to watch the video until the end because, well, I'm not telling you if I actually caught a fish or not. Oh, so cute. Swan family and babies. Oh my god, they're so cute. Today we are doing it Norwegian style. So we went hiking on the mountain and we are tasting this one. It's called quick lunch. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but it's a traditional Norwegian culture thing. It was created in 1937, and basically Norwegians took this one with them as a snack when they went hiking, skiing, walking or mountain climbing like me today. And it was like for reloading the energy for the further trip or hike or whatever they were doing. And basically it's chocolate with waffle, something similar to Kit Kat, but as I read the reviews on the internet, it says that this one is better than Kit Kat because it has more chocolate in between the waffles. So let's try it out, because I'm actually very hungry and tired after the walk. Yeah. So it looks like this, with some kind of birds on it, 4 fingers. Let's try this. Oh, it really looks like a Kit Kat. It's actually really, really good. Now I understand why Norwegians like this thing. It's so tasty, crunchy, really good. So if you happen to be in Norway, go hiking, do some activities, and take a taste, take a bite of this, which actually translates as quick lunch. So I'm gonna finish my quick lunch and go down the hill again. It's a wonderful morning. It's been raining during the night, so the air is very fresh. I love it. And we decided to go fishing. And there's a great fishing place nearby our house. So we are going to try to catch a fish. I don't know if we will manage to do that, but anyway, let's see. Well guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you put your thumbs up underneath the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done that. And of course, push the notification bell in order to stay updated with my future videos, because I have prepared an interesting content regarding my running experience in Lysekloster. And also, as I promised earlier in my first videos about Norway, there's going to be another interesting video. In this video, I'm going to not telling you. So please push the notification bell, subscribe, like, comment, and see you next time!